Hey, what's going on, Gaijins and Gaijin? This is Good Gaijin Greg, and I'm back with another video. And today, I haven't cooked in a while, so I'm going to be making my own personal version of a Tonkatsu, which is fried pork. You remember I did the katsudon earlier? This is a Tonkatsu, which is kind of the same, but not really. So I'll be taking a few liberties, but I think you'll still enjoy it, so let's go. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is cut up a bunch of mushrooms. And this is most certainly not used in a traditional katsudon. Okay, this is kind of what you're looking for. And there we go. Just finished another meal, and now we have a beautiful bowl of Greg's Tonkatsu. Almost forgot the Beni Shoga. And we got a poached egg in there. You don't have to put a poached egg in there if you don't want to, but I like poached eggs in mine. Let me know if you want me to teach you how to poach an egg. So let's give this a try. Itadakimasu. Where do we start? Let's see how this pork came out. Oh yeah. Nice and crispy. Pork is tender, juicy. And that sauce is nothing to sneeze at either. It's got some tang to it because the soy sauce I used had yuzu in it. If you can't find yuzu, you can always use just lemon juice. Most definitely try this. Really, really good. So that's about it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and polish this off, and I'll see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Later.